Cut the crap, meaning stop saying things that are dishonest, silly, or unnecessary. Get to the truth. Cut the crap and tell me what really happened. It's out of your league. It's out of your league means that someone or something is too good, difficult, expensive, or advanced for you. That's luxury. Sports car is out of my league. I'm over you, meaning I no longer have romantic feelings for you, or I am no longer emotionally affected by you. Don't worry about me. I'm over you now. Number four, what's the catch? Meaning, what's the hidden problem, condition, or disadvantage? A free vacation sounds amazing. What's the catch? I have said my piece, meaning I have expressed my opinion and I have nothing more to add. I have said my piece. The decision is yours.